Hey everybody, how's it going? Hanging here with Isaac, two last names from Gear Gods. And how's it going, dude?
What's up, man? How you doing?
It's Isaac Stolzer Gary. Isaac's been editing the show quite a bit lately, and he's just been doing a magnificent job. But Isaac can also really play guitar, and I wanted him to be on the show for this episode for talking about the Bogner Uberschall model of the new Synergy SYN50. Now, you guys have seen me demo the Synergy stuff before. We just did the Vi module. I've got the Plexi, I've got the Soldano, I've got the Dietzel, and a couple of Friedman modules as well. It's just awesome. But I absolutely love the interchangeability of this. You could just change up the sound of your amp in a matter of seconds, and it's kind of like an analog modeler almost in many respects, where just changing out a simple preamp module will get you a very different tone. Like, we've got the Vi module still here, but going from the Vi to the Bogner, they're just completely different animals. Oh, but I need more than 2 tones to do my show. No, you don't, you fucking poser. Going through 80 different amp models during your show does not make you a great guitar player. It just makes you an asshole. Anyway, let's check this thing out. Hey, Isaac, we're gonna start out on some cleans here. Let's see what we get. We got 2 dip switches here, pre, EQ, and cut. So let's see what those do. No, that's really not doing anything. Let's try clean. Ah! Let's try that neutral. There we go. That's probably going to be the cleanest, is with the cut up and then the pre-EQ just in the middle position there. Try that on your neck pickup. Let's see that. Yeah, that's all right. Now, I've never actually owned a Bogner Uberschall, so I'm going to take a wild guess that this is kind of what it's supposed to be. I mean, the Uberschall is a pretty damn serious amp. I mean, it's a pretty famous one up on a lot of records, that kind of thing. But it's so cool just to have it kind of in a little module that's only a few $100. I think that's really wicked. It really kicks in quick, though. I mean, like, you know, we just go from this. Go ahead. I mean, that's with a gain at, like, you know, 8 o'clock. That's insane. If we go over to the next channel here, I've got this kind of set up for high gain. We got both the switches straight up. So the cut's in place. Go ahead, let's hear it. That's what we call Colin Scott tone, and that's pretty wicked. But yeah, let's dial this back to something a little more reasonable. Let's check that out. That's just ridiculous amounts of gain on that. It's a little on the noisy side, definitely needs a cock blocker for sure, but damn, is that ever cool. Now, of course, the real measure of any amp is how well does it stand up in a mix. And to help out on this one, we've got Jackson Ward and John Suki from Strata Recording to play us a full mix. Let's roll the clip. Can you give us like a lead line? Just kind of curious what that's going to sound like. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, like, it's a completely different beast than what the Vi module was, for sure.
Totally.
Yeah, the Vi module is a little bit hairier, it's a little bit fuzzier, it's a little thicker. This is a little more precise and tighter, I think, which is cool. Again, just a really cool variation in tone just from module to module, I gotta say. But yeah, the Bogner's just a completely different beast. And if we go, say, let's take the low frequency and then same kind of idea, let it rip. It really wants that boost on. Yeah, that's pretty damn sweet, though.
Yeah.
Very cool indeed. What do you think, Isaac? What are you making of it?
Meaty. It's a meaty tone with too much gain on tap. There's so much gain available. It cleans up pretty well, and there's gain if you need it, but it's still pretty tight.
Yeah, okay, very cool. Anyway, so that's the Bogner Uberschall model from Synergy Amps. Check out the link in the description below. As always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Isaac not only on Gear Gods, but his own channel, Riffified. It's pretty awesome. He does some really great stuff and ruins just a whole bunch of cool stuff.
It's true.
And he does a really good job at it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and don't forget to check out Synergy Amps. And until next time, get out there and make some metal, motherfuckers.